Looking for a last minute gift? Why don't you make your own coupon book? You can either get as creative as you want and buy my Procreate stamps and create your own coupon book, or you can get my printables and just print them out and fill them out. It's that easy. So I just printed on cardstock, cut it out, added ribbon. I put a little glitter on the front because I had some, and just filled in the blanks. You can make up your own things or use some of the ones that I already have. It's as easy as that. So don't stress about getting your last minute gifts and make it. Making it is super special.
Where can you get my coupon book? You can get the Procreate stamps and the digital download in my Etsy shop. Just go to Create with Christy. And when you go there, you'll look under Procreate stamps if you want to build your own and pick your own colors and design your own, just like here. And it also comes with some gift tags. You'll need the Procreate app on your iPad to do this. Or you can just go and get a digital download and print it out just as is and fill in the blanks. I've got some at the end, so you can just print several of the blank ones if you want to put your own thing in there.